So let me open it. One moment. Oh, that was hard. Okay. And now I'm gonna put my oatmeal inside. I put my oatmeal inside. Put that and put it in the middle. Okay, it's getting warm. Is it in the middle? There you go. That's in the middle. Let it cook. Let it cook. Hopefully it doesn't explode. I did not put spoon or plate. It's cooking. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Gummy, gummy, gummy. It's almost done. Ding! Welcome. Ding! Voice. Come. Oh, that scared me. Okay, you be here. I'll get it out. Fresh. Not that hot. Let's close the oven. Thank you, oven. Put the spoon in it. And let's start eating. I'm gonna hold it with two hands, and then I'm holding the camera. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Time to eat it. Let's see. Is it good or not? You wanna eat this, guys? What to eat with? Eat it. If it's too warm, just like blow it out, the steam. Here you go. Really good. Okay, let me turn the screen to me now.